everyone, so today I will be showing you what I bought from Morphe. My package just came in today. It's been eight business days since I did my order, and it came today. What was weird though was I never got like delivery updates or anything, so it was actually a surprise that it came in today. But I'm super excited to just unpack everything. I was like reviewing my order cart thing, like my confirmation email, for like 12 days, just like reviewing what I bought and then going on YouTube and like seeing makeup tutorials using the products from Morphe. So I'm super excited to like buy them myself. So let me just open it. Yay! Okay, I definitely did not forget what I got. It's so pretty. So this is everything in the box. Okay, so where should I start? I'm gonna start with this one first. There's a note. Oh, it literally just says everything that I got. And the receipt. Boring. Okay, so this is everything. So let's just go through everything one by one. So firstly, I got the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH52 Detail Obsessed brush. I got this because I've been watching a lot of the cut crease tutorials on YouTube. I was so keen to try it, but all my eyeshadow brushes are like super thick, so I needed something for details to do my cut creases. So this is it. You can see it kind of. It's like so soft. But yeah, that's that. I got, oh, I love this. Okay, so I've got something similar to this, but it's super big. So I was like, I think I need a smaller one. It's the fan brush for your highlight. And this is the large soft, the M310 large soft fan brush. So, does it say large? That's not large. Let me show you large. So, it says that this is large, but this is large, and this is my old one, but it's super big, and it was like getting highlight like all over my my cheek. So I was like, this is not going to do it for me. So got this. Let's open it. So that's it. And just, yep, so soft. I feel like, see, that gives me like precision highlighting, so I really like that. Next I got the Bullet Crease, I keep forgetting to say the numbers, M321 Bullet Crease brush. And I honestly don't know why I got this, because it's quite similar to the Jaclyn Hill brush. Why did I even get this? So that's how it looks like. It's nearly exactly the same as the Jaclyn Hill brush. So I don't understand why I got it. It's a bit larger, but other than that, it's quite... Oh no! Oh, okay. So this is slightly slanted, if you can see. It's like really slightly slanted. So it's kind of slanted and this is just round. That's why I got it. Okay. I got another brush, and this is the Morphe M213 smudger brush. Let's open it. Oh, this is super small. So that's it. Super small. This is, I think I'll be using this for my under eye eyeshadow when I need to like smudge some, or like even if I want to do like a smoky look and line my eyes with like the eyeshadow. I think that's it for brushes. Yeah, so that's all for the brushes. So it's just these for 1 highlighter brush and 3 eyeshadow brushes. So next I'm going to go for the lipsticks. So I got hella lot of lipsticks. Oh, these are the lip liners, but I also got some lipsticks. So I got like a lot. Is that it? Yeah. Okay. So I got I couldn't really make up my mind whether I wanted the cream or the matte lipsticks. So I got 2 cream and 1 matte, I think. Yeah. So I got 2 cream and 1 matte lipstick. So I chose to get the Smother lipstick, the cream lipstick, and it's just there. I'll do patch testing. Ooh, I like the packaging. This is the packaging. It's so cute. It's like cute as. So I'll just, this is Smother and it's the cream lipstick. Oh, it's so dark. It's like way darker than I expected. But that's it. I'll do a patch test. Oh, and it's got the cute M at the top, if you can see. Oh, this is so, oh, this is like a plum color. I got it because I like plum colored lipsticks. So that's Smother. It's like a bit shiny, as you can see. But yeah. So next I got the Morphe cream lipstick in Whipped, and it seems lighter than the Smother one. Ooh. So that's it. And so let me just compare. So that's Smother and that's Whipped. As you can see, like Whipped is quite lighter. I'll just patch test it. It's like it kind of looks a bit brown when I just patch tested it. What I do notice is that the colors on the website are quite darker, quite lighter than what they actually are in reality. So that's Whipped. You can see. Last lipstick I got was Tempt, and this is the one matte lipstick that I got. It says it's full coverage, deeply pigmented, glides on and slays on. Ooh, doesn't stay on, it slays on. Same packaging. And that's it. This is the lightest one, I think. Let me just double check. Is this Whipped? Yeah, this is Whipped. Yeah, that is the lightest one. So this is Tempted. It's really similar to Whipped. So I feel like it's the matte version of Whipped or something, because it's like super similar. But I'll patch test it. So there it is. It is very matte. Even though they looked quite dramatically different on the website. So if you're going through Morphe's products, just keep in mind that the products in reality will be a little bit darker in person. So, that's for later. So I also got 3 lip liners to kind of match the lipsticks. So I got the color, the Zippy color, Backseat Love, and Foolish. I got one more. I'm pretty sure I got one more. Oh, and I got another brush which I forgot to show. So in this, in the bigger package, I also have some lipsticks and some lip liners and brushes, which I completely forgot about, surprisingly, but I did forget about it. So I'll just show them in categories. So I also got like this M506 Morphe tapered mini blending brush. So let's open that. So these are all the brushes that I got. I completely forgot about this brush, but these are the brushes that I got. The tapered mini blending brush will be really, really good for doing my cut creases, and yeah, super excited. Back to the lipsticks. So I actually was mistaken. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4. I bought 5 lip liners. So I got Honeymoon, Sweetheart, Backseat Love, Foolish, and Zippy. So I'll just show you all the colors. So these are all the colors, if you can see. I'm actually really excited to try Sweetheart because I was watching one of the YouTube tutorials up on Morphe, and I forgot who it was, but the lady that was doing the tutorial was like, she's been using Sweetheart like since she was really young, and it's like her go-to. So I was like, and I kind of have the same skin tone as her, so I thought I would get it. So I think I want to try this. Yep. So that's just how it looks. So that's just how it looks. And if we want to open it, oh, it doesn't come with sharpeners though, like on the caps, which is a bit annoying. But other than that, that's it. And I'll just test it out. That's just how it looks. I feel like this will work a lot for my pink, nudes, and like light purple lipsticks. Next I've got Zippy. Zippy is like more of a plum colour. So I'll open that. Yeah, so it's a really pretty plum colour. Try that on. Ooh, I actually like this more than Sweetheart. And plus these are so smooth, like I'm literally putting no pressure at all, and it's so smooth, so I really like them. That's Zippy. It's like kind of a purpley plum pink colour, if that makes sense. Okay. Next we have Foolish. So this looks like a pink nude colour. Oh, It's quite similar to Zippy actually. Yeah, so Foolish and Zippy are really quite similar. Yeah. So let's try it. Ooh, they're nearly exactly the same. Foolish is a little bit darker than Zippy. So that's Foolish at the bottom. It's a little bit darker than Zippy. Next I've got Honeymoon. And it's like a brownie colour. Let's open it. So that's it. Just try it. I'll put it at the top near Sweetheart just so we can compare. Ooh. Ooh. So Honeymoon is nearly exactly the same. So that's Honeymoon at the top and Sweetheart just underneath Honeymoon. Super similar. The last lip liner that I got was Backseat Love. This seems like it's the lightest one that I got. Let's see. Seems like a pretty colour though. So I'll put it at the top. So that's Backseat Love, just the last one. And I think that that's going to be my favourite colour actually, because it's just like a really nice natural colour and it will match a lot of my lipsticks. So I feel like I'm going to get the most use of out of that lip liner. So these are just all the lip liners that I bought. I bought 5. They are all quite similar, which I didn't really notice because the shades on the website look kind of different to how they actually are, but still like them all, so I will be using them all. Along with 3 of the lipsticks that I showed before, I also got a cream lipstick in the shade Forevs. I'll just try that. So that's the colour, it's quite light. And I'll just open it and test it. I'm obsessed with the packaging. I feel like I've already said that, but like, wow. So that's the Forevs colour. I'll just try it. Ooh, this is really pretty. So that's the colour. Super pretty. I'm actually obsessed with this one. I feel like I'm gonna love this the most out of all of them. So we've done brushes, lipsticks, lip liners. So now I've got lip glosses to show you. So I got 2 lip glosses. I got the Morphe lip gloss in Freestyle, so that's just it. And I got the Morphe lip gloss in Pixie. So that's it. I've really been into my neutral colours, so I forgot a brush. So my sister just told me that I forgot another brush. Oh, okay. So, sorry. I also got another brush, which I forgot to show again. I got the Small Round Contour Long Handle Brush M149. So I'll just open it. All the brushes that I got look really, really similar. So these are all the brushes that I bought. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brushes. They all look quite similar. But yeah, this, like, do I have any more brushes left? No. These are the only brushes that I got. Sorry. But yeah, these 6 brushes. Back to the lip glosses. So I got the Pixie and the Freestyle lip gloss. Those are the colours. So I'm just going to open Pixie first. So I'll just open it. It's really pretty packaging. I really like the lid. So that's Pixie. And it looks like similar to the lipsticks, like the packaging, like the top. Oops. Did I crack it? And the packaging is strong. So I just tested that out and it is strong. So I got the Morphe Pixie. I've already said that. Why am I saying that again? Anyways, so if you open it, I just want to see the... Oh, so that's the brush, the lip brush. And I'm just going to test it out. This is so pretty. I'm actually obsessed. So that's the colour. It's like really, really pretty. I'm so excited to try it. And this is Freestyle. I'm just going to try that on. So this one's actually darker than the Pixie. So that's it. Just try it. Oh yeah, so this is actually quite darker than Pixie. I feel like Pixie's like a more casual lipstick colour, lip gloss colour, sorry. So Freestyle is the top one and Pixie is the bottom. As you can see, Freestyle is quite darker, but that's okay. Yeah. So I only got 2 lip glosses because I much rather lipsticks, because lip glosses like are really sticky, so I do prefer lipsticks. So I got more lipsticks than I did lip gloss for that reason. So these are the face products that I bought. I got the Full Coverage Concealer Fluidity in C155 Soft Matte. I really do hope this is the right colour, because I haven't really been buying makeup online for that reason. Ooh, so that's it. I feel like it will be good, and even if it's a little bit lighter, that's okay. At least it can still like brighten dark circles and things. So if my concealer is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, I don't really mind. It's just when it's darker that's a problem for me. But oh, so that's the brush. It's flat. It's really full coverage. Like, I feel like this is more full coverage than my NARS concealer, which I'm wearing like right now. It's like super full coverage. I can't even see anything. So that's it. Like, I can't see any of the lipstick marks that I had on my hand. So this seems like it's going to be really, really good. I might actually make a makeup tutorial using only the Morphe products which I bought today, just to like test and review them. So that's the concealer. I also got the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in the shade F220 Matte. It says it's 24-hour long wear, sweat-proof, transfer-resistant, water-resistant, free of oils, fragrance and parabens. Great for all skin types. So since it's free of oils, it seems like it would be good for oily skin, which is my skin type. So that's it. So that's the colour. It's just the one below the concealer. I just want to see. It's really full coverage, but it seems a bit dark. I don't know, because it's a little bit darker. Actually, yeah, it's still a little bit darker than, actually no, nah, slightly darker than my hand colour, and my hands are darker than my face, so it will be a little bit dark. but it is really good coverage. It is super good coverage actually. It's a little bit dark, so I have to put in a few squirts from another foundation just to lighten it. Other than that, I really do like the coverage. So lastly, for my face products, I got the Morphe Filter Effect Finishing Powder. So that's it. And this is in the shade Filter 3. It says it's buildable, sheer to medium coverage, creamy lightweight formula, shine free and oil absorbing. At the end it says selfie approved, which is very important. So I'm just going to open it. Just opening it. So that's the packaging. And if I just open it. Ooh. So that's it. I feel like this opens, does it? Oh, okay. So if you see this part, didn't even realize this, but it opens, and then at the bottom it just has a little powder sponge thing from Morphe. Super cute, love that. So that's all for my face products. I just thought I would get one concealer, one foundation, and the powder. Now the most exciting part of this haul are my palettes which I got. I'm so excited to see them. I got 2 eyeshadow palettes and 1 highlighter palette. I got the Morphe Bronze Goals palette. So that's the iconic Morphe eyeshadow palette. That's it. It's so pretty. So all of these colours are basically copper gold colours, and I'll be using them for my cut creases mostly. So I'm super excited for it. Next palette I got is the Highlight Contour Palette Lo-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer 8L. So that's it. And I'm just going to open it. So it says there's 8 shades for a glam glow. Drama meets definition with these 4 matte contouring shades and 4 high impact highlighter shades for fair to medium skin. So I'm just going to open it. And that's it. This one has a mirror. So the highlights seemed quite more glittery than in reality, but I'll just try Supernova. So I tried, this is the highlight, the Supernova highlight. Honestly, it's not that pigmented, or actually, compared to my Too Faced Candlelight highlight, it's not that pigmented, but it is like okay. So I wouldn't say it's the best highlight out there. But what I like is that it's got 4 different contour shades. So for winter and summer, when I get darker and lighter, so that would be quite handy. Lastly, I got the Morphe Color Burst 35B palette. This is actually one of their best sellers, and I'm super excited to try it. It says that it's got 35 shades, super blendable shades for your eyes and face. This bold and bright palette is a kaleidoscope of color to play and slay with. Yeah, so that's it. I think this is actually the palette I'm like the most excited for. So let's open it. Same packaging. Oh my god, it's so bright. So that's it. So bright. I feel like it looks so much brighter than on the website. I love it. Oh my gosh. They're so nice and bright. I'm actually obsessed. Like, it looks better than what it does on the website. I think I'm gonna try the orange. So. So it is vibrant. So that's the orange color. It is vibrant, but it seems like you do need to build it up for like the certain intensity that you want. But other than that, I love the colors so much. There are some glittered colors, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's like seven glitter colors and the rest are matte. So super nice for cut creases. So that's it for my haul. I just got basically a little bit of everything, a little bit of lipsticks, a little bit of face products, palettes. I've never bought anything from Morphe before, so that's why I was like really excited to finally try. And it's something to do in quarantine as well. Just get a lot of makeup, watch tutorials, and just have some fun. So I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!